ay olive oil, ginger, at saka avocado bits. Ito ay alcohol, ginger, at saka olive oil at avocado bits. Ito ay garlic, chili, yung pepper powder, at saka apple cider vinegar, at nilagyan ko ng bay leaf. Ito ay honey, garlic, onion, ginger, and lemon juice. Ito ay para sa aking kilikili na nangangamoy. Ayan. Nilagyan ko ng tawas na powder, tubig, alcohol, at saka yung lemon peel. Ayan. At nilagyan ko rin siya ng olive oil. Ito ay yung apple cider at saka garlic. Ayan lang.